Not sure whether to buy the Biker Vision Audiocore V10 and Audioconnect 8X? Watch this first. The Biker Vision Audiocore V10 and Audioconnect 8X are marketed as premium motorcycle helmet communication systems with music, GPS audio, intercom, and hands-free calling. But the real question is, are they actually worth the money or just flashy biker gadgets with inflated claims? Now, to be fair, motorcycle Bluetooth communicators are genuinely useful for riders who want navigation, music, or rider-to-rider communication during long trips. What they do well: hands-free riding convenience. Being able to hear GPS directions, answer calls, or listen to music without stopping is genuinely useful for many riders. Helmet intercom systems can improve group rides. Intercom communication helps riders coordinate during touring or longer rides. Where the hype falls apart, audio quality may disappoint. This is the biggest complaint with cheaper helmet systems. Music clarity and speaker volume often struggle at highway speeds. Intercom range claims are usually exaggerated. Real-world communication distance is often much shorter than the advertised numbers. Battery life may vary heavily. Some users report decent battery life, while others complain about rapid draining during intercom use. So, are the Biker Vision Audiocore V10 and Audioconnect 8X worth buying? Short answer: maybe for casual riders on a budget, but probably not if you ride long distances regularly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.